dear friends and students, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amin sir. Now I am going to discuss about an attractive grammar which is very difficult to tackle. আজকে আমি যেটা আলোচনা করতে চলেছি সেটা খুব আকর্ষণীয় একটা গ্রামারের পাঠ use of preposition of time. What is called preposition? Preposition is a word that used to denote the position of two nouns. Between two nouns it is used. Okay? Likewise, I am giving you an example. The fan is over. The fan is over my head. The roof is over my head. Over. Here, the word over has been used to denote the position of my head and roof. Okay, understand? Now I am telling you in brief how to use preposition of time. First, এখন আমি আলোচনা করছি preposition of time টা কিভাবে ব্যবহার করতে হবে। In, when I use the preposition in to denote season, we get lot of fruits in winter season. We get lot of vegetables in winter season. It is too much hot in summer. Okay, centuries. This is now the 21st centuries. We are living in the 21st centuries. Years. He was born in 1996. When he was born in the year 1996. Okay? Decades. The incident happened in the 4 decades ago. The incident happened in the 4 decades ago. But this is the incident in the 4 decades ago. Months. I am trying to teach you. I am trying to teach you my video classes from 3 months. That is in 3 months. But this course is given in 3 months. Okay? Weeks. I'll come back here in 2 weeks. So, we are using here to denote season, centuries, year, decade, months and weeks. Okay. Now on dates. He was born on 20th June. Days, one Sunday. Please come on Sunday. And last of all, at. At denotes time, particular time. I'll come back at 7 a.m. Our school starts at 10:30 a.m. Okay? I think this video will be helpful to you. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel English Funda Kolkata. and don't forget to click the bell icon of the channel. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Till then, goodbye.